to accommodate the reintroduction.
And the front three, which is very diminutive, I think they're going to line up with two up front.
Coming in, Kabelo Dlamini and Tapelo Moki. Moki making just a first league start of the season, although
Up front, rather, Mafokeng, Mahopa and Hato.
Anticipated that he would be part of today's proceedings, and that is indeed the case here. And Mamelodi Sundowns do the same. Their fans mostly congregated on the grandstand. Dlamini's ball in. Oh, Moki has urged to shoot by the crowd. Just wouldn't drop for him. But his first goal of the season, 2 games back. That was the fourth against the Montfort Golden Arrows. As intercepted here. Laying it off for Mokwena, who shoots again this time. He keeps it low, he gets it on target, and it's straight at Chain.
Yeah, that pressure is forcing Chain to lose possession. This is the early effort.
Season where he's got a goal and an assist as Allende is the man to eventually take it. Oh! Over the line from Grant Kikana. Yes, it is! Mamelodi Sundowns draw first blood from the set piece. Huge moment in this critical Betway Premiership tie.
It was a well-taken set play there from Mamelodi Sundowns. It was a dummy from Ribeiro. Allende, excellent delivery. Lucas almost getting his head to it, but it was his partner, Grant Kikana, at the far post, as rose the highest. And with a side foot, getting it past Super Chain. You can see it did ricochet.
Dion Hato's offside. Dion Hato's fresh from scoring a goal against Kukuni United, the opener, from a free kick. In from Mokwena, Train makes the save. It's the new man, Lucas Suarez, who almost gets off.
This is that delivery in swinger there. You can see Suarez is coming off, making the run inward there.
Referee unmoved. Dlamini. This is Lucas Ribeiro for Mamelodi Sundowns. They can get away. He continues on with Mokwena heading straight offside. Ribeiro! Oh man, what a goal from the Brazilian!
And he gives it to Steph Curry there, Grant.
He's the league's leading scorer for good reason. They're now pulling away from the chasing pack.
What a change of pace there from Ribeiro. What can't he do? Initially, a bit of a slip there. Managed to retain the ball there. Brilliant. Closed down from Mokwena. And Ribeiro gets in the middle of the park there. Evades 1 or 2 tackles. Puts on the afterburners. Close control. And finds an excellent angle there. Lucas Ribeiro puts his side ahead.
Morena's there to keep the pressure on. Combines with Ribeiro. Goes down under a challenge seemingly of Paseka Marco, but the referee. And the Pirates with the corner. Swung in. And again, the initial defensive header coming from Lucas Ribeiro. Laying it off, and for Ribeiro, turns away from Sibisi, wonderful feet, and eventually it's Makaula who recovers as Sisani. Ball comes in, Hato over the top, huge opportunity in first half injury time to reduce the arrears that Dion Hato skied it.
Yeah, brilliant opportunity to pull one back there, lovely late into the path.
In low, from Mokwena. Acrobatic from Ribeiro, who's more than capable of that. He earned Goal of the Month accolade for January for an equally acrobatic side volley effort.
Well, he clearly thinks he's on the beach in Copacabana.
This is looking promising for Pirates. Dion Hotto across the face of goal.
That's more like it. Not sure who went down. Brilliant ball there across the goal from Dion Hotto.
Dion Hotto now looks for an option. Stabs it through for Machopa. Deflected effort. Oh, it's flown in! And Orlando Pirates have a route back into this game. Dion Hotto via the deflection. It's 2-1 at Loftus.
It's game on. It started with a positive pass in midfield from Dlamini. And Hotto started to make his way in the field. A brilliant 1-2 played. And Machopa, massive deflection. And a brilliant strike there from Hotto with his weaker foot. And Williams could...
3 assists that he also has in the Betway Premiership. Look at this from Ikram Reyners. Through for Ribeiro! He's done it again! Restores the 2-goal advantage with a magnificent finish. And the glimmer of hope for Orlando Pirates looks to have been snuffed out once again by this Brazilian superstar.
Yeah, it was Suarez with the clearance and found the on-rushing Ikram Reyners in space. It was Ribeiro that arrived late in the box. Zone half kept Masongani rather quiet. Did his foot step onto the line there?
Okay,
it certainly looked like it.
Sundowns also with an excellent home record against Orlando Pirates as they look to compound their misery here to Mokwena! Firecracker to ignite Loftus! And now the game is surely safe!
You don't give him that much space. You don't allow Teboho Mokwena all that space. He will punish you. And that is exactly what he did. Unselfishly laid into the pass by Ribeiro, and it's Mokwena. Back-to-back goals from outside the box. It's his specialty.
Well, it took him this season as long as it's ever taken him to get off the mark for Mamelodi Sundowns, but now that he's off the mark, Stanton,
it doesn't stop there. But the run from Shalulile, trying to get the ball, created the space there for Mokwena.
Overjack for the ages if they were able to get anything from this. Mbuidi attempting to muscle his way past Johannes, penalised.
And his hands all over.